Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so problem set, we were supposed to discuss problem set, no? Did you any doubts in the problem? We finished with the exercise, huh?
We finished with the exercise and problem set, sir. I I didn't do the problem set, sir. I just did the practice set yesterday. And didn't do the problem set. I'll finish it by Tuesday.
Okay, and that last sums of the two sums I had given you to do, no? No, 2 or 3 sums.
I did good.
Okay, you got
I
it
got the right answer.
Right answer. Okay. Then we'll start with geometry.
One second.
What is going on in the schools? Geometry, same chapter, triangles.
Yeah, sir. We are doing
And algebra?
Algebra real numbers.
Still on real numbers.
We are nearing the end. We are nearing the end.
Okay. Are they teaching everything, or they are going according to the deleted portion? There is some reduced portion, no? So are they following that reduced portion?
I think they are following the reduced portion.
They're following? Okay. Okay, so we'll start with triangles. So this chapter is all about triangles and mainly properties of triangles. Okay, there are different and there are several properties of triangles. And under that, the very first and the very important property is the theorem on remote interior angle. Okay, we'll not do the proof. We'll just do the application part and what this theorem says. This proof is not that important, but the result of this theorem is very, very important. Now, before that, understand what is a remote interior angle. Okay, now if you see in this triangle PQR, okay, in this P, Q, and R, these three angles, they are all inside the triangles, hence they will be called as interior angles. Clear? What is interior angle? Angle PRT this is formed outside of the triangle. Okay, but it is a very much part of the triangle, only that it is outside. So this angle will be called as the exterior angle. Are these difference clear? Interior and exterior angle. Why it is called exterior? Understand that also. Since it is outside the triangle, we call it as exterior angle. But although it is outside, it is very much part of this triangle PQR. Now, what this theorem says? This theorem says that suppose this is the exterior angle. We know that this is exterior. The remote interior angles are these two. Now, what do you mean by remote? Remote means which is far away from it. Okay. If you see this angle R is just besides it. So this angle R will be called as the adjacent interior angle. Okay. This we'll call it as adjacent interior angle. And these two are far away from the exterior angle. So we call it as remote exterior angle. Are these terms clear? What is exterior angle? What is adjacent interior angle? And what are remote exterior angle? Sorry, this should be interior.
So adjacent interior angles are near the exterior angles, right, sir?
Yes, just besides it.
Okay.
That is why we call it as adjacent. It is just besides it. But for now, for this theorem, we are concerned with the remote interior angle. Okay. Now, what this theorem says? This theorem says okay. This theorem says that the measure, okay, understand the statement. The measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. That means, in simple words, if we see, we are saying that the measure of this angle, that is the exterior angle, PRS, is equal to the sum of these two interior angles. Okay, sum means you add it, okay, addition. So that means angle PRS, that is the exterior angle, is equal to angle QPR. QPR means this one, plus angle RQP. Okay, RQP means this one. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remote interior angle theorem says that exterior angle is equal to sum of the two remote interior angle. Okay, why it remote? Because it is far away from it. That is why we say remote. Write down the heading, the statement of the theorem, the diagram, and this result. Write down this.
Done, sir.
Second property we'll see, that is called property of exterior angle of a triangle. So what this property says, we'll see that. Properties of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay. In this triangle, can you tell me which is the exterior angle?
PRS.
Yes. So exterior angle is angle PRS. So what this theorem says, this property says that the exterior angle PRS is greater than both the remote interior angle. So in this, you have two remote interior angle, that is angle P and angle Q. The exterior angle will be greater than angle P, and the exterior angle will also be greater than angle Q. So the exterior angle PRS will be greater than angle Q also. Is this property clear? Make a note of it. Draw the diagram also. In the previous one, did you draw the diagram? No? Do the diagram. Draw it. Draw the diagram. It's okay. You can draw freehand also, but draw it.
Done, sir.
Right this. Here also draw the diagram. Right, property of exterior angle of a triangle. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, since we know these two concepts, we'll start with the exercise straight away. Okay, practice set 3.1. We'll do the first sum. Okay, in the figure 3.8, that is this one, ACD is the exterior angle. You can see that ACD is exterior. Can you see the question? Is it visible? Okay. So it is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B is given 40 degree. Angle A is given 70 degree. You have to find measure of angle ACD. What will be measure of angle ACD?
A plus B, angle A plus angle B.
That is 110 degree. What theorem are you using?
Theorem of remote interior angles.
Yes. So when you're writing, we'll write here by theorem on remote interior angle. Remote interior angle. Angle ACB will be equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. So angle BAC is 70 degree and angle ABC is 40 degree. You can write it. So 70 plus 40 is 110 degree. So angle ACD. Okay, sorry, I wrote ACB. Now this has to be ACD. So angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. Is this sum clear? Write it down.
Yes.
Draw the diagram also. It's okay if you don't write a question, but put a question number, okay? Exercise 3.1, first sum. Put that question number, but draw the diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay, second one is very easy. This you will able to do on your own. Do it. How to do? Tell me first. Second one. In triangle PQR, P is 70 degree, Q is 65 degree. You have to find angle R. So if I draw the triangle, suppose if this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is 70 degree, this is 65 degree. You have to find out how much will be angle R. How to do it?
Sir, all triangles are supplementary,
No.
complementary.
No. All triangles. What do you mean by that? All triangle?
All
Or you mean
measure the
angles?
measure of a triangle. The measure of a triangle.
The measure of all the angles in a triangle is supplementary. That is 180 degree. So that means it is also called, this is also called as angle sum property.
So 45 degrees, RF 45 degrees.
Yes. Okay. But note one thing, that what you're using, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. This is called as angle sum property of triangle. Okay, angle sum property of a triangle. And then substitute and then complete it. Do this right now. You got 45, no? Yeah, 45 is right.
Okay.
Write it down, complete it.
Done, sir.
Third one. Measure of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. How to do this one? Can you tell me? Think about it. I'll draw the diagram for you. Let's see if you manage to do with the diagram. I'll name it A, B, C. Suppose A is x degree, B is x minus 20 degree, and C is x minus 40 degree. You have to find out what is length measure A, what is measure B, what is measure C. Okay, angle A is x degree, angle B is x minus 20 degree. Angle C is x minus 40 degree. How to do this? First, find out the value of x. Can you tell me how to do that? Use,
I don't know, sir.
in the previous one, which property we used?
Angle of some property.
Angle sum. What does property says? If you add all angles in the triangle, that will
180
be
degrees.
equal. So use that here.
Oh, 180.
By angle sum property of triangle, you get angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. Now substitute the values. A is x, B is x minus 20 degrees, C is x minus 40 degrees. Is this clear up to here? Okay. Now, x plus x plus x will become how much?
3x.
3x. And minus 20 minus 40 will become
Minus 60.
minus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Take minus 60 on the other side. So 3x is equal to 180 degree plus 60. How much is 180 plus 60?
240.
240 degrees. Now take 3 on the other side, it will get divided. So 240 degree divided
So
by
I
3.
think x is 80 degrees.
Yes, x is 80, but we are still not finished.
Yeah. Then x minus 20 is 60
Yes,
degrees.
you have to substitute here. Yes, correct. So we'll do the substitution. Angle A is equal to x, which is 80 degree. Angle B is equal to x minus 20, which is 80 degree minus 20 degree, which is how much?
60 degrees.
60 degree. And angle C is x minus 40 degree, which is 80 degree
40 degrees.
minus 40 degree,
40 degrees.
which is 40. Okay, 80 degree minus 40 degree, which is 40 degree. Okay, write it down now. Is it visible? Okay. Go through the sum and start writing it.
Done, sir.
Okay, let's do the fourth one. The measure of one of the angle of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of the three angles. Did you understand the question? So how to start this sum? Can you tell me? How to start it?
We'll name the angle. One of the angle which is twice the measure of the smallest angle x.
And smallest, see there are three angles. Let's name it first. Let the triangle be triangle PQR, and the angles will be angle P, angle Q, and angle R. Okay, let angle P be the smallest one. So I'll say angle P less than angle Q less than angle R. Okay, so P is the smallest one. Correct? Did you understand this? Okay. Now, first thing given in the question that the measure of one of the angle is twice the measure of the smallest one. So we'll say let Q is twice the angle of the smallest one. Did you understand this? Then after that, other angle, that is angle R, is 3 times the measure of the smallest one. Is this clear? Okay. Now, what property you to use here? By
Sum of triangle.
Angle sum property of triangle. So by angle sum property, we have angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to how much? 180 degree.
So I think I found the answer.
Yeah, what? Tell me.
The angle which is the smallest angle is 30 degrees. The angle which is twice the smallest degree is twice the smallest degree 60 degrees, and the biggest one is 90 degrees.
90. So how you got the smallest one? Tell me that.
I was finding I was checking all the numbers like 10, 20, 30.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Correct. That is good way of doing. But if it is an MCQ, but if you have to solve it, then you have to show all the steps. Okay. So angle, correct answer. What you got is correct. Let's see after solving we are getting it or no. So instead of angle Q, we'll write 2 times angle P. And instead of angle R, we'll write 3 times angle P. So that is equal to 180 degree. Now, how much will this be? Angle P plus 2 times angle P plus 3 times angle P. How much will this be?
180 degrees.
No. You have to add this. Think of it as third. Think of it as thirds. This is angle P is your third.
6.
6 angle P.
Angle 3P.
Is equal to 180 degree. So take 6 on the other side. It will get divided. This is 180 degree divided by 6, which is 30 degree. So see, angle P you got correct. 30 degree. And now you can easily say what will be angle Q and angle R. Angle Q is 2 times angle P, that is 2 into 30, which is 60 degree. And angle R is 3 times angle P, that is 3 into 30, which is 90 degree. So that's it. Angle Q 60, angle R 90. So the three angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Clear? Go through. Can you see the entire sum? Yeah. Write it down.
Done, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss this. You will have to do it for homework, okay? So in this one, measure of some angles are given. Using the measures, find value of x, y, and z. Okay, you have to find this interior measures. Now, first let's start with the z. Angle z. How to find out angle z? Can you see something is forming here? What is forming here?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So these two are angles in linear pair. So how much will be angle z? Angle z will be
40
180.
degrees.
Yes, 180 minus 40, that is 40 degree. So by linear pair, you'll get this to be 40 degree. Now, how about here? Can you see these two angles are also in what? Linear pair?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. So how much will be y?
80 degrees.
80 degree. Now, if this is 40, this is 80, how much will be this?
60 degrees.
60 degrees. What you used there to get 60 degree?
Sum of angle.
Yes, angle sum property of a triangle. So can you do this for homework? It's just a matter of writing. So here linear pair, here linear pair, here angle sum property. Fine. So make a note. Fifth
Yes,
sum for homework. Make a note of it. Write in your notebook, fifth sum for homework. You wrote it? Okay. We'll do sixth one. Okay. Sixth one says, in this figure, line AB is parallel to DE. Then measure of angle DRE, that is this angle, and measure of angle ARE, that is this one. You have to find out. You have to find out this measure and you have to find out this measure. Is the question clear? And what is given? This is 40 degrees given to you. This is 70 degree that is given to you. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay. Now here we need to use the transversal property. Now, I'll just, for better understanding, I'll just tilt this. Okay. So now I'll just extend this. There's no need to do all this, just for you to understand I'm doing. So you see now, this is A, this is B, this is R, this is Q, this is E. Okay, this is 70 degree, this is 40 degree. In the question, it is given AB parallel to DE. Like AB is parallel to, sorry, this is D. This is D. Like AB is parallel to DE, what is a transversal then? Yes?
AD, sir.
Yes, AD is a transversal. You understood this diagram, right? Yes or no? Diagram. Yeah. Have you understood the diagram?
Yes, sir.
See, it is this only diagram, but I have just tilted it because they have said AB is parallel to AB, that is this one, is parallel to D. I want to use the concept of transversal. Fine. Any confusion?
No, sir. I don't. No, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. See, these two diagrams are the same. Diagrams are the same. It's just that we have to use a concept of transversal. So I've just tilted it. I've just tilted it like this. So when I tilt this, you see AB and DE are parallel to each other. Okay, AB and DE are parallel, and AD is a transversal. Okay, so I'll make this as it is. We'll refer both the diagrams. Okay, now what is given? Angle BAR is given. Angle BAR is given as 70 degree. But can you see BAR will be congruent to which angle?
Interior angle.
Hmm?
No. Alternate interior angle.
Yes, alter. But which are the two pairs? BAR and this one. I think my diagram
EDR. EDR.
is EDR. This one. So if you see in the above figure, that is this one and this one. Here it is this one and this one. EDR. So therefore, angle EDR will be 70 degree. So here you can give the reason. Alternate angle. What we have to find out, and I'll just mark in red, we have to find out angle DRE. That is this one here. And ARE. That is this one here. These two angles we have to find out. DRE in this diagram. This one and this one. Okay, these two we have to find out. The ones marked in red. Okay. Now you look in triangle DER. Okay, look into triangle DER. In triangle DER, angle D by angle sum property. Okay, by angles.
Angle R. Sir, which angle are 70 degrees?
Angle R. Yes. Yes. How you did? Tell me.
Angle A was 70 degrees through, and I made angle D 70 degrees through in the alternate interior angle test. Then I added 40 and 70.
Yeah, correct. Correct, you did. So angle D, see from here, we know by alternate angle, angle D is 70. Angle E is given and angle DER we have to find out. This equal to 180 degree. Angle D 70 degree, we get it from here. Angle E 40 degree given in the question. Angle DER, which you have to find out, is equal to 180 degree. So this is 70 plus 40, 110 degree plus DER is equal to 180 degree. And you take 110 on the other side. So you'll have 180 minus 110, which is 70 degree. So angle DER is equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now, how to find out this one, this angle? Now this we got, this is also 70. How about this one? Use the
So it will be 110 degrees.
110.
10 degrees.
Yes. How? Which property are you using?
Linear pair.
Linear. Okay. Okay. Linear pair. So you can use, or you can also use the first theorem that you studied, remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior angle theorem. So this is the exterior angle, and these are the two remote interior angle. So 70 plus 40, 110. Both what you did is correct. Linear pair also will give you the answer. So can you complete this sum? The second part, whatever you want to use, you use that. Use linear pair or use remote interior angle theorem. Will you complete this sum? Yeah, write it.
Sure.
The second part is still left, huh? To write. I have not written the second part. To find DRE. Sorry, to find ARE, angle ARE. You told me angle ARE is 110 degree, you told me, and you used linear pair. Okay. I'm saying that this you can find out by using remote interior angle theorem also. Okay.
How so remote? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So see now, this is the
Yeah.
exterior angle, and these will become the two remote interior angle. So 70 plus 40, 110. So that's how this becomes 110 degrees.
So you also want DRE, right, sir?
Welcome to the
What?
DRE.
DRE.
We found that.
Yeah. So you use linear pair and found out, and that is also correct. I'm not saying it is wrong. It is correct.
Okay.
So the second part you write it. First part I have written. Second part you write it. You want to use linear pair, you use linear pair. You want to use remote interior angle theorem, you use that. Whatever you want. Complete it.
Done, sir.
We'll stop here. I want you to do the 7th one and the 9th one for homework. The 7th and 9th one. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Oh, we'll stop here. See you on next week. Okay?
Bye, sir.
Also, send me the